Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. So today I will explain to you guys about mole concept. In our daily life, we use units such as pairs and dozens to represent the quantity or number of objects. The unit pair represents 2 objects, while the unit dozens represent 12 objects. But in the field of chemistry, we use the unit mole to measure the amount of substance. So, what is the amount of substance represented by the unit mole? According to the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, the new definition of mole is as follows. The mole with the symbol mole is the SI unit of amount of substance. 1 mole of substance contains 6.02214076 multiple 10 root 23 elementary entities of the substance. This number is a fixed value known as the Avogadro constant that is expressed in mole, -1. The Avogadro constant is also called the Avogadro number. First, number of moles and number of particles. The way to use mole is similar to the way of using the unit dozen. For example, 2 dozens of pencils represents 2 multiple 12 or 24 pencils. Similarly, the Avogadro constant is used as the conversion factor between the number of moles and the number of particles. So, if you want to know the number of moles, we should number of particles divide by the Avogadro constant. Or if you want to know the number of particles, you should multiple number of moles with Avogadro constant. So next, number of moles and mass of substance. The number of moles of a substance is impossible to be determined by counting the number of particles in the substance. Therefore, to get the number of moles, the mass of a substance must be measured, and we also need to know its molar mass. What is molar mass? Okay, molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of substance. The unit for molar mass is gram/mole or gram/mole, -1. Chemists found that the value of molar mass of a substance is the same as its relative mass. For example, the relative atomic mass of carbon C is 12. Thus, the molar mass of carbon is 12 gram/mole, -1, because 12 grams of carbon contains 1 mole of carbon. That is 6.02 multiple 1023 atoms of carbon. If you want to know the mass of a substance, we should multiple molar mass with number of moles. And if we want to know the number of moles, we should divide the mass with molar mass. Last but not least, number of moles and volume of gases. Measuring the volume of a gas is easier compared to measuring its mass because gas is very light. But how are the number of moles and the volume of gas related? From studies, chemists found that the volume of 1 mole of any gas has similar value under the same condition of temperature and pressure. Thus, the concept of molar volume was explained. Molar volume is the volume occupied by 1 mole of a gas. The molar volume of any gas depends on the condition that is 22.4 dm3 mole at STP or 24 dm3 mole at room conditions. This means at STP, 1 mole of neon gas occupies 20.4 dm3. And 1 mole of nitrogen dioxide gas occupies 22.4 dm3. While at room conditions, 1 mole of neon gas occupies 24 dm3 and 1 mole of nitrogen dioxide gas occupies 24 dm3. So, if we want to calculate the volume of gas, we should multiple molar volume with number of moles. And if we want to know the number of moles, we should divide volume of gas with molar volume. So I think that's all. So thank you.